What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm coming at you with today is going to be some Rosemary Dijon pork chops. We're going to be getting old school on it and new school. Old school, we're going to be knocking it out with some of this shake and bake right here. I haven't had any of this since I was probably 12 years old. And the new school, listen, we're going to be knocking it out in our Magic Chef air fryer. Links in the description for that. Anyway, this is something that was kind of requested by my wife. I haven't had pork chops in a couple of years, so it's going to be a nice change of pace. Anyway, come on in, take a look at these few simple ingredients, and we'll get it hooked up. This is all that you need. I have 4 half-inch thick bone-in pork chops, and as you can see, I got a great value on both of these, $4.90, $4.48, boom. We have some dried rosemary, some Dijon mustard, and this old school shake and bake right here. That's all we're gonna need. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and get these pork chops rinsed off real quick, and then we'll come back and start cooking. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and spread some mustard on all sides of these pork chops. Okay, that is a done deal. Now it's time to make the magic happen. I'm gonna tell you, my mom passed away when I was 12, which is around the last time that I think I probably had something like this. And I can guarantee you the bag was bigger than this. So we're not gonna be using these bags. I was hoping I could reminisce a little while, but that ain't happening with these cheap bags. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and pour our seasoning. We're just gonna be rocking like a regular bowl. We're going to go ahead and add our rosemary. And you know what? I need to glove up again. All right, got gloved up. Let's go ahead and mix our seasoning in with this shake and bake, our rosemary. All right, now we're just going to coat both sides of this. I will tell you, it does leave a nice little coating on it. I have to bring you guys in to take a look at that. Alright guys, tell me if that coating does not look good right there. Now, the instructions on the box say to cook this for 450 degrees for 25 minutes. I'm not sure in an air fryer we need to be cooking at that temperature. I'm gonna go ahead and start this off at 370 for about 25 minutes, and then we'll check on them at that point. So let me go ahead and get my air fryer heated up, and then we'll get cooking. So now we have our air fryer heated up, and the reason I do that is so that the pork chops or whatever I'm cooking in there doesn't stick to the bottom. Now, the shake and bake recipe did not call for any oil, but I do have this oil mister here, and if it looks like it's getting a little dried out, I will go ahead and hit them with some of this olive oil. Let's go ahead and get them in. And it looks like I'm gonna be good to go with 3 of these. Do one more later on. Like I said, we're gonna be going 25 minutes. Let's go ahead and set our time. Link to this and a discount code is going to be in the description below. Our temperature, let's go at 370. You know, let's go at 380. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright guys, this is what they're looking like. These bad boys are done. I'm going to go ahead and plate these up. We'll see if I can get my big head boy out here and get in on a taste test right quick. Alright guys, so this is a wrap. It's time for us to get into this. Now we're going to pair this with some smoked macaroni and cheese I made earlier today. Be on the lookout for that video. Anyway, let's go ahead and get in. Like I said, it's been years since I've had a pork chop, and it's been even longer since I've had some shake and bake.
Ooh, that just looks good. Pork's nice and tender. Outside is so nice crispy. crisp to it.
Taste a little bit of that Dijon mustard in there.
Mm-hmm.
Just a hint.
Just a little bit. So good.
And that smoked macaroni and cheese, let me tell you, that was the bomb too.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, we're gonna finish eating this offline, but I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.